of it. So I'll just have to do it and then show you when it's done, I guess. Big, silly, dumbass with a big, dumb heart. That's what it was. And you uploaded more photos? Nice. Link your Instagram again. Everybody needs to see it. Your amazing pictures of goats. What kind of camera are you using? That one is a Logitech C922, and that one is a stream cam. Oh, Proper Barnstar can't link it. What is it? Oh, you DM'd it to me the other day. Hold on, let me get it and link it again. Sorry, I forgot that you can't link it. Oh, you use the C922 as well? That was my first webcam, and then I got the stream cam, and so that's now my face cam, and then this became my... I used to use my phone for the Lego camera, and that was a bit of a mess. When links are disabled and the stream asks you to link, yes, Oz. Aw, sorry, Barnstar. Oof. Embarrassing. Or was it a gotcha? Did I trick you? Haha, I was just trolling. I was trolling all along. That's what we call a bait. That's what I meant. Yeah, that's what I was getting at. Hey, Chonky Dong Chi Dizzle! What's hizzlin' a mizzlin'? Good to see you, Chonky Dong. Here for some Lego vibes, huh? And yes, that shirt is awesome. I thought you and Red Jeep Man would like that one. I had a feeling you might have posted it for them. Cute goats though, hell yeah they are. They're the cutest goddamn goats around. I love the video where you tell us their names. It's awesome. So freaking precious. God, why does it have to be such a pain to put the piece in? Yes. Ugh. Wait, where does it go on to? Oh, that. Okay, so I'll show you what I've been doing around the back here. There's like some furniture that goes in here, this is one of my favorite things about Lego is when you build up little furniture and stuff. So I've got a little bench, the table here. Of course, we've got a barrel, and I'm not sure what this is going to be just yet. Apparently I need to put that there. Oh, it's good. It's a training dummy that we're putting in there. Oh no, or armor stand actually, not a dummy. I'll show you real quick. There you go, armor stand. That goes in there. Now that we've seen your face, can I just say that OMG, Troy really hit the nail on the head with your MS Paint picture. It really does look like you. I'm psychic, and I've also had someone tailing Proper Barnstar. I hired a private investigator to figure out what his deal was. That's why I knew what he looked like. But yes, I was quite surprised. It did look like him. I could sense it from his energy. You thought so right away? That must have been really funny. I honestly probably wouldn't have made it look like you if I'd tried to make it look like you. Oh, do you have Lego skeletons? I have a couple. I've got a black one here. I've got a couple of the black ones here. These have been included with the Ninjago wave. I'm surrounded by Ninjago sets right now. Oh, I'll put them in this. So I've got 3 there. Other than that, however, I don't really know. I'm sure I have like some classic white skeletons around somewhere, like in other sets and stuff. But, oh, and I have some Minecraft skeletons. But other than that, no, I don't really have any skeletons. What is the crane for? You'll see. I think that'll be one of the last things we build, actually. Went back and had a look, that's incredible. I mean, Proper Barnstar made it his Twitch profile picture, didn't he? Yeah, he did. God, it looks so good. Oh, gonna have your Yogo now? I wish I could have mine again. On another one. However, I may not have a many Lego skeletons, but I do have this Lego skeleton dragon, if that counts for anything. So, does that count for anything? It's also been modified. I spent a lot of time this week modifying it